What if I told you that there's one single plant that has the power to stop hair fall, erase dandruff, boost crazy hair growth, and transform dull, lifeless hair into silky, shiny strands naturally? Sounds unreal, right? But this isn't some modern trend or a miracle product off a shelf. This is aloe vera, and it's been changing lives for centuries. In ancient Egypt, it was called the plant of immortality. In Ayurvedic texts, it was treasured as a sacred medicine for treating everything from scalp infections to hair thinning, long before shampoos and conditioners ever existed. Royals and healers alike used aloe vera to keep their hair long, thick, and radiant, even in harsh climates. And now, science is finally catching up to what the ancients already knew. I'm about to reveal how aloe vera became the ultimate natural remedy for all your hair problems, and why once you try it, you'll never go back to chemical treatments again. Trust me, what you're about to learn will leave you shocked, and maybe even a little speechless. This one simple plant, aloe vera, has been used for thousands of years as nature's own miracle remedy. In ancient Egypt, queens like Cleopatra used it for beauty rituals. Now modern science is proving what ancient healers knew all along. Aloe vera contains over 75 powerful nutrients that heal, repair, and transform your hair from root to tip. Still not convinced? Let me tell you about Fen, a girl from a small rural town in North China. She couldn't afford fancy products or chemical treatments. Her hair was thinning, dull, and falling out in clumps. But her grandmother gave her a simple remedy: fresh aloe vera straight from the garden. Every week, Fen massaged it into her scalp, applied it as a mask, and used it as a spray, and within a year, her hair grew so long, it literally touched the floor. No high-end products, no tricks, just pure aloe vera. And she's not the only one. Across the world, people are ditching store-bought products and turning back to this ancient plant. Because aloe vera doesn't just promise results, it delivers them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use aloe vera to completely transform your hair. Fight dandruff, stop hair fall, boost insane growth, and make your strands feel soft, silky, and strong. By the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Number 1. Aloe Vera Hairspray. Today I'm sharing an all-natural DIY aloe vera spray that's seriously a game changer for dandruff and scalp infections. It's super easy to make at home and works like magic if you use it consistently. All you need is pure aloe vera gel, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Add half a cup of rose water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and about 2 tablespoons of neem water or just a few drops of neem oil. Then drop in around 6 to 8 drops of tea tree oil, which is amazing for fighting fungus and bacteria. For a soothing touch and a refreshing scent, add a few drops of lavender or peppermint oil. Finally, pour in a 1/4 cup of distilled water to bring it all together. Shake it up in a spray bottle, and it's ready to go. Just spray it directly on your scalp, massage it in gently, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, overnight if you can. Rinse it out with a mild shampoo and use it 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Trust me, your scalp will thank you. Number 2. Hair oil. Using aloe vera. I've got an insane hair growth oil recipe that you can make at home using aloe vera and a few kitchen ingredients. This stuff is seriously gold. If you're trying to grow your hair faster, make it thicker, and stop hair fall, this is for you. Start by taking 2 big tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Now, in a pan on low heat, pour in a half cup of cold-pressed coconut oil and a 1/4 cup of castor oil. This combo is amazing for boosting hair thickness and regrowth. It might sizzle a bit, that's totally fine. Cook it gently on low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes until the gel turns slightly golden and the oil smells herby. Now, turn off the heat and add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and a few curry leaves. These are traditional powerhouses for hair growth and preventing premature graying. Let everything infuse in the hot oil as it cools. Once it's cool, strain the oil and pour it into a clean glass bottle. You can add a few drops of rosemary oil for an extra growth boost and a refreshing feel. To use it, warm up a little bit, massage it deeply into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes, and leave it on for at least an hour, or overnight if you can. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and trust me, your hair will start growing like crazy, get thicker, shinier, and way healthier over time. Number 3. Aloe Vera Hair Keratin Mask. This is a natural way to get soft, silky, and straighter hair without using any heat or harsh products. This DIY aloe vera hair conditioning mask is going to be your new go-to. It deeply nourishes, smoothens frizz, and gives your hair that sleek, shiny finish totally naturally. Here's what you'll need. Take 4 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Make sure it's blended super smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, which is amazing for softening and strengthening hair. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of yogurt, which adds natural proteins and smooths the hair shaft. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. This locks in moisture and gives your hair a natural shine. For extra nourishment, pour in 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed olive oil or sweet almond oil. Both are awesome for taming frizz and adding silkiness. And if you want that ultra-sleek look, squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. It helps relax curls gently and adds shine. Blend everything until it's a smooth, creamy paste. Apply it all over your scalp and down the length of your hair, focusing especially on the ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then rinse it out with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Skip conditioner because this mask does all the work. Use this mask once or twice a week, and within a few uses, you'll notice your hair feels softer, smoother, more manageable, and yes, naturally straighter too. Give it a try, and let your hair do the talking.